Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the ocean cleanup event in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So now there is a new event in Heartopia Call of Whales. It's called the ocean cleanup event. And if you want to join the event, you're going to go to the Wellfall Canyon, specifically go to the Wellfall area. And now the event is hosted by Oliver. Actually, you can also host the event yourself. Just go to the event and start it by yourself if you want. But now I'm just going to join the event started by Oliver. Hold on. Alright, I'm already at the Wellfall area. And for your information, if you want to start it yourself, guys, you can go to this area and you're going to use this device, the ocean pollution accumulation device. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the other players and I'll be right back if the event has been started. Alright, now the event has been started and we're going to complete the personal goals and also the team goals. For the personal goals, I need to clean up 30 contaminants. Okay, so just do it. It's very easy and it's super fun. And make sure that you do with your team so you can reach the goal as soon as possible. And also don't forget to pop the bubble. Okay. Okay, now it's time for the phase 2, guys. We need to clear the giant pollutants. And of course, we need to do that with our friends. Oh, wow, that's so cool. We can unlock more seashells with this. Oh my god, it's going to explode, I guess. Oh my god, that's super fun. Okay, just follow the event until the end and you'll be able to claim your reward. Oh my god, okay, now the event is over and now it's time to claim the rewards. And okay guys, that's how you can join the ocean cleanup event in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!